Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to unlink your broker from TradingView. First, open the TradingView platform on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the platform, go ahead and open any chart. You can choose any market or asset. It does not matter. Now, look at the bottom part of the screen. Here you will find the trading panel. In this section, you should see your connected broker's name along with its logo. This confirms that your broker is currently linked to your TradingView account. Next, click on the broker name or the panel area to expand it. This will open more details about your trading connection. After that, look closely at the broker's name. Right next to it, you will notice a small drop-down arrow. This arrow gives you more options related to your broker connection. Click on that arrow to open the menu. Once the menu appears, you will see several options. Among these options, find the Logout button. This is the option that allows you to disconnect your broker from TradingView. Now click on the Logout button. As soon as you do this, your broker will be unlinked from the platform. You will no longer be connected, and the broker panel will reset. Thanks for watching.